Hey, today I thought I'd do a video on just a standard base model system. Now, when I say base model, that does not mean that our quality of installation is going to change. That stays the same, but this is base model equipment. So this is a 13 SEER single stage air conditioner. But you can see we've got our pad on gravel there. We're running right now. They're actually not that loud for being a base model system. We've got our refrigerant lines running up, and the guys even, I don't know if you can see that, they even contoured that to fit the bird blocking, so that would look nice. So that's that. And one thing I really like about the American Standard base model systems is that they actually have high and low pressure switches to protect the equipment. So a lot of base model systems, they with different brands, they skimp on some things, and it's not necessarily a good thing, but this is a rugged system, and the only compromise here is that you're not getting multi-stage, and it's a little bit louder and maybe a little bit bigger than some of the other units. But that's that. We'll go inside. And here we have, I'll take a step back so you can see. So this is a single stage high efficiency furnace. And what was here was an 80% furnace that drafted into that metal flue there. So we ran all new PVC exhaust piping. They got a 4-inch media cabinet that's standard on all of our installs. And just really nice looking work. Another detail here, we've got a drain pan overflow switch in case that were to ever overflow. We can shut things down before we get water down into the base can. But overall, just a great looking job, and this really is a nice system.